welcome to another exciting episode of Z Connect Season 2. Are you connected? Yesterday was history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift, and that's why it's called a present. And we are here to gift wrap your present and share it with you in the best way possible. Well, let's begin today's show by giving you all a recap of last week's news, views and happenings in the front page.
Dubai's population continues to rise, keeping pace with its growth as it touched 2,027,178 people. The population crossed the 2 million mark in December last year, with the total of permanent residents clocking 2,003,170 people, which shows that there have been an increase of 20,000 people over the past 3 months. The figure suggests that there is a floating population of around 1 million people who either travel to the Emirate daily for work from other Emirates or who are temporary residents in the Emirate for short-term projects. The Government of Dubai Media Office launched a new feature-packed version of the official website of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai. The revamped website focuses on boosting user interactivity and providing easy access to rich content through a reinvented site map. Website visitors can now watch live TV broadcast of important national events and share content with their friends on Twitter and Facebook with the click of a button. Students at Zayed University, Abu Dhabi have gained first-hand experience of the skills required to set up and develop their own businesses. The university's partnership with INSEAD Business School has allowed 6 teams of students to directly study well-established ventures launched or managed by Emiratis in the UAE.
Having a place to go is home. Having someone to love is a family. Having both is a blessing. And we at Z Family are so privileged to have all of you and to be loved by you too. Well, this week we're back again with one of you in our Z Family section.
लोगों से मिलना और उनसे बातें करना मुझे बड़ा ही अच्छा लगता है और इस हफ्ते भी जी फैमिली में मेरे मिलने मिलाने का सफर जारी है. This week on Z Family, we are with the Banerjees and let's get connected with them. Hi everybody.
I'm Saurav.
Hi, I'm Aika.
Hi, I'm Reena Banerjee.
Hi, I'm Shamik.
Tell us something about yourself.
Well, I was born in a place called Allahabad. I did my schooling from Allahabad, then I did my hotel management from Lucknow. I did my business management from Ghaziabad. Then from a passion perspective, I've been a radio jockey, I've been an avid writer in newspaper, and from a professional perspective, I've been working in banking and finance industry for the last 20 years now.
What does family mean to you all?
As we see and as we feel, family एक बहुत आम शब्द है, जिसका यूज भी होता है, मिसयूज भी होता है, लेकिन हमारे हिसाब से फैमिली एक ऐसा एहसास है ना जिसको आप बयान नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप सिर्फ महसूस कर सकते हो. इट्स फैमिली इज लाइक अ थ्रेड इन अ नेकलेस. अगर वो बीड्स आप देखोगे नेकलेस में, सिर्फ अगर आप अपने सामने बीड्स रखोगे कुछ फायदा नहीं, आप बोलोगे दीज आर जस्ट बीड्स. But family is like the thread that keeps the beads together. It gives it a beautiful shape. So it's a sense of belongingness. It's emotions. Different kinds of emotions. Happiness, joy, sorrow. It's being together. And being support for one another. That's what I feel makes a true family.
धागे अलग रहते हैं, मोतियां अलग रहती हैं, पर जब उनको बना दिया जाता है तो वो एक सुंदर सा गले का हार बन जाता है. तो फैमिली इज जस्ट लाइक दैट ओनली. आप 4 बैठे हो, बहुत ही खूबसूरत. इसमें से अगर एक भी नहीं हो घर का सदस्य, इट इज नॉट अ कंप्लीट फैमिली. तो फैमिली इज एवरीथिंग फॉर मी, एवरीथिंग फॉर मी.
What do you think about ZTV?
ZTV is a beautiful connection with your values, with your tradition and with your culture. When I came here, it was only ZTV for me, But slowly and steadily, when I used to see the programs, it reminded me the importance of my homeland. The value of relationships. You know, it makes you cry, it makes you laugh, it brings a smile to your face. And it makes you realize the essence of relationships, you know.
I watch 2-3 serials in Z. That one is Pavitra Rishta. That is very close to my heart. And second is Dance India Dance. I love that program. And I never miss it.
Z family, we belong. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure having you all at the show. And if you wish to be on ZTV, all you got to do is subscribe to the Z Family package or do write into us at zfamily@meraztv.com.
Well, family rejoices us and makes us feel important. लेकिन entertainment का dose तो हमें Bollywood से ही मिलता है. So this week on our Fully Fried section, we decided to test your Bollywood knowledge. तो आप सब हमें बताइए that in the movie Dabang, who was Chulbul Pandey's girlfriend?
चुलबुल पांडे की गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम
चुलबुल पांडे की गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम आई डोंट रिकॉल
क्या नाम था?
सॉरी
चुलबुल पांडे का ओ सोनाक्षी
वेरी पुअर एट दैट
कैन आई आस्क माय फ्रेंड
I don't remember. Blank. Seriously.
कहाँ से लाऊं
नाम नहीं याद आ रहा, लड़की याद है. कोई हिंट है? ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो?
वैसे आप कौन हो
रूप, नैना,
मंजरी प्रिया
शिल्पल पाले की कोई गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं थी उसमें.
I'm sure it was not Rabri Devi.
नो आइडिया
इंडियन फिल्म नहीं देखते यार. एक्चुअली काम का इतना प्रेशर,
हिंट दे दो कोई
वर्कलोड,
Don't know.
ऑफ टाइम प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं.
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा
It was something to do with R.
सोनाक्षी सिन्हा का नाम क्या था दबंग में?
उसका नाम था, उसका नाम क्या मिलेगा? गिफ्ट दोगे?
चेंज करो नहीं है नो श्योर
Don't remember honestly.
No, I can't remember. नहीं रज्जो नहीं है, कुछ और है.
उसका नाम था यार, नो वे, जेन में आ रहा है पर नहीं आ रहा.
रज्जो, लाजो, रज्जो, रज्जो, yes.
Well, ये आप लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो गया ना? Well, वो सवाल ही क्या जो आपको सोचने पर मजबूर ना कर दे. I'm sure इसके बाद आप सबको एक छोटे से ब्रेक की जरूरत है. Trust me, I also need a break. So I'll see you all after a short break and make sure you're energized and ready to enjoy our UAE-centric segment.